stream, I think.
Oh, it's so... Okay, wait, what's... max stream volume?
Max.
Max stream volume.
Right, so do you know what the new areas are?
I think they're new areas, but there are like way more dead ends that I've seen with like just doors that he can come out of, which is like fucking super.
Good. Because the game wasn't, you know, jump scary enough.
Yeah, exactly.
That's weird. They have to get like you have to see him in order to get away from him if he's like chasing you.
Let's see here. Will select no. Yeah, so does it. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, never mind. Wait, what?
Oh.
Hey, okay, cool.
Oh.
Whoa.
What a
Choose an adventure.
Consent.
Consent.
No way, you guys.
Locked.
Oh wait, no way.
Yeah. Oh, there.
Oh, so this is.
Wait, was that him?
I think that was him.
I think it was, yeah.
No way.
What the fuck?
Chat, is this real?
Don't look.
Shit, is this real? Yeah, go investigate.
No.
No. Yeah, we played it where it's like the big rat, yeah.
Yeah. This game's actually such a fun game.
Oh,
he's
it's
dead.
over.
Run.
No, he isn't.
Wait, what?
Yeah!
Uh-oh.
That is so cool.
Oh my god. Wait, you don't
Yeah,
instantly
there's like
die?
if you listen really carefully, there's like a heartbeat. That's new.
Yeah. There's health states. Wait, that's actually good.
Yeah.
Go! I love how we're about to go.
We're running into him.
Oh god. Did you go to the same area? Oh
Right.
my god.
Oh my god. You're retarded. Because
I waited a whole ass
legit, I'm watching your stream. I'm like, you just took 3 left turns. Like, so what are you looking for when you go down here? What is it?
Key.
P. What?
That is a fucking dead end. Okay. That is also a dead end.
Did you say P?
Key.
E.
Oh. Oh, chair.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
So fuck.
Oh
my
my
god.
God.
Wait, what?
Even
Another
smaller
chair?
chair.
What?
Who was sitting there?
Oh my god, run.
Uh-oh. Oh my god.
Oh.
Hell.
Oh my.
He's
Oh my.
Oh my god.
He proved that I was the hell was he?
You got juked.
Cut you off.
This is too fucking close to that goal.
What does he eat?
Children.
Oh.
Actual fucking epilepsy, dude.
Is he behind you?
That's him, that's him, that's him.
Yeah, that's
Oh!
it, that's it. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Run.
Oh my god, that is so
Go.
cool.
A stool, I wonder
What is that? Oh, it's over. Oh.
Oh my god!
Oh my, bro, how many dead ends?
No!
Bro!
Got it.
America!
I'm America. Nah, but the fact that you close it and you hear him unlocking the door, then he appears in front of you like he's a real trickster.
Key? No.
No.
Oh, I thought it was funny.
Bribe him.
Hear me out.
Eat soup.
Just
The
the,
British
the
cuisine.
guy with the glasses piece.
Peaced to meet you.
That's a new sound.
Bro.
What?
Oh.
He just fell through the floor.
Luke. Oh.
Damn!
He's swift-footed. Oh wow. If you go into the children's playroom area, do you just get like locked in there?
You get locked in, and then he'll just come out of nowhere.
Oh,
Eventually.
it's a bit.
Oh.
Okay.
Bro.
He just fell.
He's just. Wonder who's.
Tiny shit.
Yep.
Oh, that's just ambience. Okay.
What kind
What?
of ambience, dude?
Does he just have have an air horn?
What kind of retarded ambience, bro? He's walking, he's walking.
So when you have all 3 keys, what do you get?
You go to that staircase. Okay, that's not it. You go to that staircase, and then you open the door, and then you go out the hallway, where you... Oh my
What?
god!
What was that? Is that like a little plush? What?
Wait. Don't make any noise.
What?
It's okay.
Nigga, what?
It's like, you know those automatons?
Yeah. What? Even?
Surely we go towards it.
Yeah, surely.
Wait, what? That is
area.
That
Who's
is
that?
you. Oh! God, it was a trap. It was a trap.
Why do we think it would be anything other than a trap?
Dude, that's fucking evil, dude.
Was he
I didn't think it meant anything.
He was just tickling.
Yeah. What even?
Bro, he's such a cuck.
Bro.
Piece of shit.
Fuck
Dude,
that
what
guy.
the fuck? Oh. Okay, this will be our last part. Oh, fuck you.
What's that?
What? Oh, that's the child room, whatever, right?
Child end. So that's an ending?
Oh.
Fucking
Yeah.
God.
If,
Yeah, it
if
is.
If he goes in the child room.
I can just do it or not?
Do you wanna? Because I don't think we're gonna get the other two keys.
You're on one hit, by the way.
Yeah, yeah.
That as well.
Yeah, this is, yeah, we're going our way.
That might have changed.
Oh my fuck.
Okay, that wow.
Cute.
Whoa.
Chat, is this real?
Cheddar.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it's over.
Oh.
It's over.
Oh, that's what he eats.
That's what it eats.
That and tea.
Oh, really?
No way. I saw now. Don't stand at the door like he's gonna come through.
Is that actually what
I don't know. I don't know. I have no
I
idea
think-
where the trigger is.
I think it's just like a little like you explore for a bit and then he just comes out.
I don't think these are enough to defend myself. These are his.
I would pick up the knives.
And do
I could take them.
Oh, you got snacks?
can it just happen, man?
You got snacks? Yeah. What do I do?
Oh
yeah, there you go.
my god!
There you go.
Dude, holy shit! Oh, I actually, dude, I curled up into a ball.
Oh my!
I was like, oh, it's open.
Oh, how nice of him.
I was like, oh, okay, we escaped.
Dang.
Fuck.
Poor Megan.
Poor Megan.
Hoppy.
See, if you had the knives.
If you had the knife, you shank him.
cut. Yeah.
He's just a big baby.
He's just a little guy. He can't help
Give
it.
him a hug.
He can have it. Aw.
Oh,
He just wants to play.
He's gonna run at you, isn't he?
Mm-hmm. I think. Yep. That is creepy,
Oh,
man.
What? Did the game crash?
it crashed, yeah.
Yeah. Wow, what a game.
Oh, what a
No-
game.
No, we hopped
Game
on Gang
over.
Beast.
Yeah, well.
Oh,